Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I have got a super helpful tip for all you Android users out there. Ever wondered what apps are running in the background on your phone? Well, in just a few simple steps, you will be able to see exactly what's going on behind the scenes. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your Android phone and head over to Settings. Now, scroll down until you found About Phone. Go ahead and tap on it and you will find a build number. This is where the magic happens. So I have my build number in the software information. Now here's the build number and you have to tap 7 times on it. You might see a little countdown. Keep tapping until it says you are now a developer. My one is already been updated. That's why it's saying that no need. Developer mode has already been enabled. So I'm going to my developer option. Now go to running services. And there you have it. You can now see all the apps running in the background on your Android device. Wasn't that easy? Now you can keep eye on those sneaky background apps and manage your phone's performance better. If you have found this tip helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Oh yeah, got a tech question? Drop it in the comments below and we might feature it in our next video. Until then, goodbye.